In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out your account on YouTube. This is quick and easy to do. First, you need to go to your profile in the top corner. And then press Manage your Google account. It will redirect you to your Google account setting. After that, tap on the arrow under your account name. And click Manage Accounts on this device in the bottom. It will redirect you to the settings. Scroll down until you see Users and Account. Press Google. Now you can see all the accounts that are associated with your device. Choose the account that is connected to your YouTube and then remove the account to simply log out to your YouTube. Now let's go back to YouTube. As you can see, I successfully logged out to my YouTube account. Thank you, and I hope that helps.